Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can unlock your Pi lockup. So here, first you need to do is click on these three horizontal lines. You click on that one, and then go ahead and go to the mainnet, which is next to home. So just click on this one. And then from here, as you can see, we'll see here the balance dashboard and all this. So you just have to click on this configure lockup rate. So click on that. And then from here, you have to check this checkbox right here. This automatically lock up a portion of my transferable balance to mainnet upon my next balance migration. So you just have to click on this one. And then once you click on that one, you will see this lockup percentage and the lockup duration. So you just have to move this to 2 weeks. As you can see, it is set to 3 years. So we don't like that. So I'm just going to set it to 2 weeks. So you just have to move it to here, just like that. And also the lockup percentage. So move it to 25%, just like that. And then once you're done with that, you just have to click on increase commitment. Click on that one. And as you can see, it's already success. Lockup settings is updated. So you no longer have to wait for 3 years. So instead of 3 years, it's now on 2 weeks. So that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!